Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to install apps on Samsung phone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. There are two ways to install apps on Samsung phone. You can install it from the Samsung Store or Play Store. So first, go ahead and search for Store on your Samsung device and then open it. This is the official Samsung App Store. So go ahead and open it. Once open, you can just click on the search button at top right and search for any application you want to download and install on your Samsung. So once you search for it, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the install button on your Samsung phone. So click on install, and this is going to download and install the application on your phone. Again, go ahead and open the Play Store on your Samsung. Once opened, go ahead and click on search and search for the application you want to download on your Samsung phone. Once you search for it, locate the search result, click on it, and then click on the install button or update button to install or update the application on your Samsung. And that is it. So that is basically how to install apps on Samsung phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.